I'll be signing 4 new executive orders. First is that I'm directing our new Secretary of Defense, Pete Hegseth, who's going to be great, by the way. Thank you for the support. Thank you very much for the support. You really did support him greatly. I think he's going to be fantastic. I know him very well. I think he's going to be fantastic. He's what we need to immediately begin the construction of a state-of-the-art Iron Dome missile defense shield, which will be able to protect Americans. You know, we protect other countries, but we don't protect ourselves.
US President Donald Trump has announced a project to build a next-generation missile shield inspired by Israel's Iron Dome. This decision comes with a clear message: we need to begin immediately. Trump made the announcement during a Republican retreat in Miami. On the very day Pete Hegseth assumed office as Defense Secretary, Trump declared that the US will construct its own Iron Dome-style defense system. He emphasized the need to protect American cities and infrastructure from modern aerial threats like hypersonic and ballistic missiles. Hegseth supported the urgency, telling reporters that plans to reinstate troops, remove DEI mandates, and build the missile shield are happening quickly. Originally developed by Israel, the Iron Dome is a highly sophisticated air defense system. Its purpose: to intercept and destroy short-range rockets aimed at populated areas. The system uses radar to detect incoming projectiles, calculates their trajectory, and determines if they pose a threat. If they do, an interceptor missile is launched to destroy the target mid-air. Since its deployment in 2011, the Iron Dome has proven its effectiveness, saving countless lives during conflicts with groups like Hamas. The Iron Dome gained global attention in 2023 during the Israel-Hamas conflict and again in 2024, countering Iranian missile strikes. Its success rate and ability to neutralize threats make it a vital part of Israel's defense strategy. Trump's executive order lays out a comprehensive plan. Development timeline: Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth has 60 days to submit a detailed implementation plan. Missile defense objectives: the system will target ballistic, hypersonic, and advanced cruise missiles. Allied cooperation: the US will work with allies to improve missile defense technology and deployment. Secure supply chains: ensuring next-generation security for all components. This marks a shift in US defense policy. Trump's plan echoes Reagan's Strategic Defense Initiative from the 1980s. But unlike its predecessor, Trump's proposal focuses on countering threats from adversaries like China, Russia, and rogue nations. The president's directive also prioritizes rapid deployment with space-based interceptors and non-kinetic capabilities included in the blueprint. Trump's Iron Dome for America is more than just a promise. It's a bold step toward redefining national security. As Defense Secretary Hegseth works on the next steps, all eyes are on how quickly this ambitious project can be realized. Will this shield protect America against the threats of tomorrow? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates.